Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tuskilwa, or 7 miles west of Hennepin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Grahamville, Tuskilwa, Dollarville, Bureau Junction, McNabb, Putnam, Mark, Seatonville, Magnolia, Standard, Spring Valley Airport, Outsville, Lake Thunderbird, Florida's Lone Tree Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.